Alocasia thrive in medium to bright, indirect sunlight. When they're exposed to direct sunlight, it can scorch their leaves. When you are watering Alocasia poly or Amazonica, apply weekly watering session and frequent misting, keeping their soil moist but not wet. Alocasia poly will also appreciate being placed in a humid environment, which you can create by misting it frequently, placing it close to other plants or on a pebble tray partly filled with water. Alocasia poly will thrive in temperatures ranging from 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Alocasia poly and Alocasia amazonica are both hybrid plants. The two species are largely the same, except for their size. The poly variety stays a bit smaller. Though not very easy plants, they are definitely worth the buy if you can provide what they needs. They have lovely foliage that can look especially stunning when the light shines through the smaller leaves. Troubleshooting: yellowing or spotting on leaves suggests the plant has been overwatered. Make sure you allow the top soil to dry out before watering the plant again, especially in winter. Browning edges indicate the plant has either been underwatered or scorched by direct sunlight. Make sure your Alocasia poly only receives bright, indirect sunlight. Leaves fading and dying in fall or winter. Alocasia poly goes into dormancy as temperature drop and days shorten. Don't panic if this happens, but reduce your watering. Alocasia are tropical plants, which means they need quite a bit of moisture. However, most Alocasias, including the Alocasia poly, have thick stems which they use to store moisture. Alocasia use the moisture stored in their stems to feed themselves, so they don't have to rely on moisture in the soil. What this means when it comes to watering your Alocasia poly is this: you should only water your Alocasia poly when the soil is dry.